Buonasera. Dobry wieczór. Na voce, na chitarra e poca luna, e ci vo più per fa una serenata, per sospirare d'amore piano piano, parola dolce e innamorata. Te voglio bene, tanto, tanto bene, lontano te non posso più campare. La voce, una chitarra e poca luna, e come dolce che sta serenata, avvocato e s'accosta più vicina, a tutta stregna e più appassionata, con una chitarra non falli la voce, con te vicino tanto e so felice, amore, non posso più scordarmi a te. Una voce, una chitarra e poca luna, e ci vo più che fa una serenata, per sospirare d'amore piano piano, parola dolce e innamorata. Te voglio bene, tanto, tanto bene, lontano te non posso più campare. Una voce, una chitarra e poca luna, e come dolce che sta serenata, avvocato e s'accosta più vicina, a tutta stregna a me più appassionata, con una chitarra non falli la voce, con te vicino canto e so felice, amore, non posso più scordarmi a te. Amore, non posso più scordarmi a te. Grazie and dziękuję. Thank you. As Piotr said, my name is Joe Kaliva. I'm thrilled to be here tonight singing some of my favorite music in the whole world, these classic Neapolitan songs, or La Canzone Classica Napolitana. These are popular songs that developed in Naples, Italy, from the early 19th century to just after World War II. This period of time is usually considered the golden era of Neapolitan song. And I'm also very happy to be here tonight performing these songs in honor of the Italian saint Valentino di Terni on his feast day tomorrow, February 14th, a day that we all know better as Valentine's Day in English. San Valentino, of course, is the patron saint of lovers. So I hope these Neapolitan songs help to put you in a romantic mood tonight. The song that I just sang, Na voce, na chitarra e poca luna, means a voice, a guitar, and a little moonlight. And the words go on to say, what more do you need to make a serenade? So I thought it was a good song to start the show with tonight. This next song was written in 1839 and is considered by many people to be the song that gave birth to the golden age of Neapolitan song. It won first place in the very first Neapolitan song contest that started that year in 1839. And it remains one of the most popular Neapolitan songs today. This is called Te voglio bene assai. t'ho amato tanto, sì t'amo, tu lo sai. Io te voglio bene assai, e tu non pensa a me. Io te voglio bene assai, e tu non pensa a me. La notte tutte dormono, ma io che può dormire, pensa nonna mia, me sento scevoli, li corda dura sonno, a 1, 2, 3. Io te voglio bene assai, e tu non pensa a me. Io te voglio bene assai, e tu non pensa a me. Guardami in faccia e vede come sognare tutto, sì compeliento e brutto, né nella mia pete, che tutto a filo dubbio, con te me vedrai. Io te voglio bene assai, e tu non pensa a me. Io te voglio bene assai, e tu non pensa a me. Thank you very much. Dziękuję bardzo. This next song I'm going to sing is the very first Neapolitan song that I ever heard. It was written in 1951 by a Neapolitan actor named Antonio De Curtis, better known in Naples simply as Totò. There he is. The song is called Mala Femmina, which means evil woman or wicked woman. And it was one of the first Neapolitan songs to become very popular in the United States, thanks to recordings by Italian-American singers like Lou Monti, Robert Goulet, and Jerry Valli. But for me, I was introduced to this song thanks to my father, who would sing it around the house, mostly because at the time we had a small dog, a long-haired Chihuahua named Gigi. And when my father would sing this song in an operatic tone, it would make Gigi howl. And I used to love and laugh at my father singing this song and hearing Gigi howl. And even this day, to this day, when I sing this song, I can still hear my father's voice singing this. So I hope you enjoy it. Se avesse fatinato quello che hai fatto me, stomma te avesse ucciso, e voi sapete perché in questa terra femmine come te non sta penando, onesto come me. Femmina, tu sei una mala femmina, che stuoi fatta chiannera, lacrime fa metà. Femmina, sei tu peggio una vipera, tu seccate l'anima, non posso più campare. Femmina, sei dolce come zucchero, però sta faccia d'angela te serve per ingannare. Femmina, tu sia più bella femmina, te voglio bene e t'odio, non te posso scordare. Te voglio ancora bene, ma tu non sai perché l'unico amore sei stato tu per me, e tu per un capriccio tutto è distrutto in me, ma Dio non ti perdona quello che hai fatto a me. Femmina, sei dolce come zucchero, però sta faccia d'angela te serve per ingannare. Femmina, tu sia più bella femmina, te voglio bene e t'odio, non te posso scordare. Thank you very much. One of the things that makes Neapolitan songs different from other Italian music is that they are all written in the Neapolitan language, or the Neapolitan dialect, which both are very different from standard Italian. If some of you are following along the lyrics online, or just listening to this, and you know some Italian, or you study it on Duolingo, these lyrics probably sound very strange. Another characteristic of Neapolitan songs is that they are mostly all ballads or serenades. Love songs to a woman or about a woman, about love or a broken heart. And this next song is one of those serenades. It's sung by a man standing in the middle of an Italian street, calling up to his beloved Maria to open her window and let him in. It's one of the most famous Neapolitan songs in the world. But I always found the song a little bit funny because in the song, the man is standing in the middle of an Italian neighborhood, calling out one of the most popular names for Italian women in the world, and expects only one woman to come to her window. But we like it anyway. This is called Maria Marie. fenesta, ma faccia Maria, castunga mieta via, sperruto ad avade, non trovano re pace, a notte faccia giorno, sempre pesta cattuerno, sperano c'è parla. Oi Marie, quanto sonno che perdo per te, famma dormire abbracciato d'un poco con te. Oi Marie, quanto sonno che perdo per te, famma dormire. Oi Marie. Giardiniello, ride merverosa, lieto e frona rosa, agio fatto per te. Vienna che notte dolce, oh cielo che inumano, io ti canto a non a fianco a te. Oi Marie, quanto suono che perdo per te, famma dormire abbracciato un poco con te. Oi Marie, quanto suono che perdo per te, famma dormire. Oi Marie. Grazie. Dziękuję bardzo. One of the most legendary performers of La Canzone Napoletana is a Neapolitan singer and guitarist named Roberto Murolo. In the early 1960s, he made dozens of recordings and created an indispensable anthology of the most classic Neapolitan songs. When I discovered him, I fell in love with his sentimental, romantic sound and his style. Most of his recordings are very intimate, just a guitar and a voice. And he has become one of my heroes and greatest influences. And most of the arrangements of these songs that I perform are inspired by his recordings, like this one. Tramonta l'uno e noi per città l'ordine scena stiamo mano a mano, senza tenere coraggio ci guardare. Fammi che lo che vuoi, indifferentemente, tanto saccia che so, per te non so più niente, e dammi sto veleno, non aspettate mani, che indifferentemente, se tu m'uccidi, non ti dico niente. E ride pure mentre mi scippa pieto che sto cuore. Non sento più dolore e non tengo più lacrima per te. Fammi che lo che vuoi, indifferentemente, tanto saccia che so, per te non so più niente, e dammi sto veleno, non aspettate mani, che indifferentemente, se tu m'uccidi, non ti dico niente, che indifferentemente io perdo a te. Thank you very much. I mentioned that Neapolitan songs are very often serenades, or love songs, but very often as well they are love songs to Naples itself, serenades to the beauty of the city of Naples, the sea, the smell of the orange and lemon trees, the fresh air, the food. This next song is a serenade to a beautiful waterfront district in Naples called Borgo Santa Lucia. It's right on the Gulf of Naples. It was written in 1849 and later became the very first Neapolitan song that was translated into Italian, which helped it become more popular. Come se friccica la luna chiede, lo mare ride, l'aria serena. mezza la via, Santa Lucia, Santa Lucia. Sto vento fresco fa rescetare chi vos passarse lleno amare. È pronta all'esta la barca mia, Santa Lucia, Santa Lucia. È pronta all'esta la barca mia, Santa Lucia, Santa Lucia. La tenna posta per fare cena e quando stacce la panza piena. Non c'è la minima melanconia, Santa Lucia, Santa Lucia. Potrà costare la barca mia, Santa Lucia, Santa Lucia. Il mio porro, grazie per cantare. Thank you, everyone. And this next song is another serenade, like Santa Lucia, which talks about the beauty of Naples. Or in this case, a beautiful city near Naples called Sorrento. Yes, Sorrento. But it is also a serenade to a lost love. The singer is trying to lure his beloved back using the beauty of Sorrento. It was written in 1905, and this is also one of the very first Neapolitan songs I ever heard, thanks to my father and to Gigi, of course. Spiritando sentimento come tua che tiene mente, cascetta ti fai suonare. Guarda qua che sto giardino, sientesi sti sciure arancia, no profumo così fino, dentro cuore se ne va. E tu dici parto a Dio, lontane da sta cura, da sta terra dell'amore, tieno pure non torna, ma non lasciar, non dormes tu tormento, torna sorriendo, famma campar.
In fumo chi ha girato tutto mondo non ha visto come guardo attorno sti serena catte guardano incantate e te vogliono tanto bene te volesse rovesciare e tu dici parto addio ta lontani da sta cuore da sta terra dell'amore tieno cuore e non torna ma non lascia non dormes tu tormento torna sorriendo, famma campar.
Thank you. Neapolitan songs are very often featured or used in television series about Naples. For me, this has been a great way to discover other Neapolitan songs that I never heard before. And that's the case with this next song. I first heard it during La Pandemia, the COVID pandemic, when I became obsessed with the Neapolitan novels by Elena Ferrante, a very popular Neapolitan author. And then I became obsessed with the TV series based on the novels. And in one of the episodes, the main character, Elena Greco, is returning to Naples from the nearby island of Ischia. And when she's on the traghetto, or the ferry, a man starts to serenade her with this song. I had never heard the song before, and I immediately had to find it and learn it. And coincidentally, thanks to my beloved Magda, who recommended a film to me called Il Treno dei Bambini, which is a film based on a book by another Neapolitan author named Viola Ardone. This song was also featured in this more recent film. This is called Orecchie che ragionate, or Eyes That Speak. Stoicchi catena bella, lucente chiude stella, sonnire chiudi unire, so come tu sospiri, ogni sospiro coce, ma tenno foca dolce, e come trasi in pieto, non le dà più a recetto, e chi ve può scordare, voi che ragionate, senza parlare, a me guardate sì, e statevi un poco, come di chi, come voi, come voi.
levano lucenta come una seta fina, solo è che cucciatina ogni sospiro coce, ma tenno fuoca dolce, perché c'è sta nuvezzo, che guardo la cerrezzo, e chi ve più scurda, vuoi che caragionate, senza parla, a me guardata sì, è stata bene un poco, come di chi, come vogli, come vogli.
So, most of the Italians who immigrated to the United States in the late 19th and early 20th centuries came from southern Italy. Many of these Neapolitan songs were brought with them to the United States, and they became a very important part of Italian American culture. The songs also served as connections or a cherished tie to their beloved homeland of Italy. This is why these songs are so special to me. My grandparents were all born in southern Italy, and they all immigrated to the United States through the port of Naples. As I mentioned before, I grew up hearing these songs, not just from my father, but from many people in my family, many of the people who lived in the city where I lived. And for me, these songs created a longing for a place that I had never even been to until 3 years ago when I first visited Naples. Sadly, many of these Neapolitan songs are disappearing from Italian American culture in the US now, but hopefully by performing them, I'm helping to keep them alive and introduce them to a new audience. And like the last song I just sang, this next song I also first heard in a television series about Italian Americans, maybe some of you heard, called The Sopranos, or Rosina Soprano. Not the best depiction of Italian Americans, but in one of the episodes of this series, a character in the series named Uncle Junior sings this song at a funeral. Again, I had never heard the song, and even though this series was quite violent and quite brutal, this song was one of the most beautiful melodies that I ever heard. It was written in 1911, and it's called Cuore Ingrato, or Ungrateful Heart. Caterina, perché mi dicesti parola amare? Perché m'appaio cuore ma tormiete Caterina, non ti scordare che t'ha dato cuore Caterina, non ti scordare. Caterina che benedicere stupanda camma da spasima, tu non ci pienza stu dell'ora mia,
tu non c'è pienza, tu non te ne cura. Corri ingrato, te pigliato a vita mia, tutte passate e non c'è pienza più. Catari, tu non lo sai che è finita una chiesa, io sono trasuta giù, pregato a Dio Catari, e l'ha giudito pure il confessore sta soffrì perché sta soffrì, non si può credere, sta soffrì tutte le stradia. Io confessore, che persona santa, m'ha detto figlio mio, lasciala sta. Corri ingrato, te pigliato a vita mia, tutte passate e non c'è pienza più. Passato e non c'è pienza più. Dziękuję bardzo. So many Neapolitan songs have become popular around the world, even here in Poland, because their melodies have been used for many other songs. For example, the song Maria Maria that I sang a little while ago was written in 1899, but in 1956, an Italian-American singer named Louis Prima wrote a song called O Maria, based on the melody from the original song. And this next song is a very famous Neapolitan song because its melody has been used in 3 different English language songs, all with different lyrics. And they were performed by many different artists, including Dean Martin, Connie Francis, and even Michael Bublé more recently. These recreations are wonderful testaments to the timeless beauty of these Neapolitan songs and melodies. But for me, of course, nothing beats hearing them in their original language. This song is called Anima e Cuore, which means heart and soul. Noi che perdimmo
pace su, non c'è decimo mai perché, foca cavassa non è vonne, non sostevo con me, pur di chi a me non risponde, per far dispietto a me. Tenimmocia così nel cuore, non ce la sanno più, manco per onore. Stu desiderio te ma fa paura, campo con te, sempre con te, per non morire. Che c'è, decimo fa, parola amare. Se io bene può campare, per un respiro, si smanie pure tu, per chi sta amore. Tenimmocia così nelle cure. Forte sarà co chianto e dolce, forte sarà che bene fa, quando mi sento più felice, non è felicità, specie se a volte tu mi dici, distratta a verità. Si smanie pure tu, perché sta amore. Tenimmocia così nelle cure. And finally, for my last song tonight, I would like to perform what is probably the most famous Neapolitan song in the world. Its fame is due in large part to the fact that, like the song Anima e Cuore, its melody has been used for many other popular songs. In fact, during World War II, a popular American singer at the time was stationed in Germany, and he heard a song that was written to the melody of this next song, and he loved it so much, when he returned to the United States, he had his songwriters write a new set of lyrics to it, to the melody for him, and the song became one of his greatest hits. The singer, of course, was Elvis Presley, and the song was titled It's Now or Never. But the original song was written in 1898, and it's called O Sole Mio, which means my son or my sunshine. And Before I sing this song today, thank you. And maybe some of you were reading ahead of me. I would like to dedicate this song to my sunshine, moje słoneczko, Magdalena Damska. As it says here, she is the reason I'm here tonight. She has brought music and love back into my life, and she has done so much to help with this performance. This photo of me she took, all the translations are her. She's working the computer. Dziękuję bardzo. And I encourage all of you to sing along with me if you know the words. And thank you to the Chameleon Club, to Piotr and Ella, and to all of you for joining me tonight. Thank you. Che bella cosa è una giornata sole, un'aria serena dopo una tempesta, per l'aria fresca pareggiana festa. Che bella cosa è una giornata sole, mannate sole, più bello in me, oh solo mio, stanno fronte a te, oh solo mio, stanno fronte a te, stanno fronte a te. Quando fa notte io solo se ne scende, me viene quasi una malinconia sotto la finestra tua restaria. Quando fa notte io solo se ne scende, mannate sole, più bello in me, oh sole mio, stanno fronte a te, oh sole mio, stanno fronte a te, stanno fronte a te, oh sole mio, stanno fronte a te, stanno fronte a te. Dziękuję bardzo.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
I think I have one more I can do here. I don't think we have a translation for this, but I hope some of you will understand this in English or help some others to understand it. But I mentioned my beloved Magda. 3 years ago, I heard a song by Louis Prima called Buonasera Signorina. Yes, I'm so happy you know this. And when Magda and I were talking, I was in the United States, Magda was here in Poland. Sometimes I would start the conversation by saying, Buonasera, signorina. At the time, we were only friends, but I know I needed to take a chance and find a way to express my feelings for Magdalena. And I always thought that this song, Buonasera Signorina, would make a wonderful Neapolitan song. It's always sung very quickly. Buonasera Signorina, Buonasera. Yes. So I thought, I'm going to try to make this a little more romantic. And I recorded myself singing and playing it, and I sent it to Magda as a Christmas present. She told me much later, after we became more than friends, that it was this song that won her heart. So I owe my life to this song, and and here she is. So if you don't mind me sharing this song with you, this version that I sang to Magda, this is my version of Buonasera Signorina. Buonasera, signorina, buonasera. It's time to say goodnight to Napoli. Though it's hard for us to whisper buonasera, with that old moon above the Mediterranean Sea. In the morning, signorina, we'll go walking where the mountains help the sun come into sight. And by that little jewelry shop we'll stop and linger as I buy a wedding ring for your finger. In the meantime, let me tell you that I love you. Buonasera, signorina, kiss me goodnight. In the meantime, let me tell you that I love you. Buonasera, signorina, kiss me goodnight.
you.